Cleaning up after your dog just got a whole lot easier with the HUZSV Dog Pooper Scooper. Designed for both small and large dogs, this tool combines convenience with durability to handle waste cleanup on grass, dirt, or gravel without hassle. What sets this scooper apart is its 36-inch adjustable handle. Say goodbye to bending over and straining your back. The lightweight, extendable handle lets you pick up waste comfortably while keeping your hands clean and away from any mess. The heavy-duty metal rake and spade work together smoothly, making scooping quick and efficient. Plus, the large swivel bin is built to last, non-breakable and designed to lock in odors. That means no unpleasant smells or bugs invading your space while you clean. Included with the scooper are 100 thick, leak-proof waste bags. These bags are twice as thick as regular grocery bags, giving you extra strength and protection against leaks. It's a practical addition that makes cleanup simple and stress-free. Assembly is straightforward thanks to the push-click design, and the aluminum handle resists rust, so it's ready for long-term use. When you're done, the scooper stores away easily, making it a smart choice for busy pet owners. Whether you're working in your backyard, walking neighborhood dirt paths, or cleaning gravel driveways, this scooper adapts to all surfaces. Its versatile design ensures you can tackle pet waste wherever your dog goes. If you want a reliable, odorless, and comfortable way to manage dog waste, the HUZSV Dog Pooper Scooper is worth a look. It combines thoughtful features with practical benefits, making cleanup faster and less unpleasant. Try the HUZSV Dog Pooper Scooper when you're ready to upgrade your pet care routine. It's a solid investment in cleanliness and convenience that every dog owner can appreciate.